Hi, this is Donna Ashton. Welcome to lesson 2 of our first module, Validating Your Course. So in lesson 1, I had you doing some research and really digging deep to find your clients' biggest challenges, what keeps them up at night, and really what they're looking for from you. Now in lesson 2, we're going to talk about creating the outcome and deciding the outcome of your course. And it may feel like it's going backwards, but you need to know what the outcome of your course is going to be so that you can design the content to fit. So let's think about this. If you are doing the course on how to house train your puppy in 2 weeks, you are going to stick to exactly the steps that you need to get your clients to help train their puppies or house train their puppies in that 2-week time. You may also teach and coach people on nutrition for dogs, or how to find a best veterinarian, or commands and training. There may be many things that you can teach through your courses, but in this particular course you are going to stick to the house training. What this does is give a tangible, desirable outcome for your students. And when you are marketing your course to people, they will know exactly what they will get when they take your course. And that's what you want. You want it to be specific. You want the outcome to be tangible as possible, and for them to know immediately whether this course is something they would want to take or not. You don't want to go for something vague like, best practices for your puppy. That's really, kind of a vague outcome, and they may be like, I don't even know what that means. So we want to make sure that everything is clear, and what this will do for you is really help you to be focused on the content and the steps that you need to put into your course to get them to that tangible, to the finish line, to get them to that outcome. You want them to be happy. You want them to, be like, all right, I did it and it worked. You want them to get that desired result from taking your course. And by focusing on a specific outcome, that ensures that you will not put too much in, because as teachers and coaches and healers, we want to help. We want to give everything we can, and sometimes that will muddy the waters when you are trying to help someone step by step through something to get them to a process. By adding in these other things, it's distracting and can make them feel that it's too much for them and it's too overwhelming, and that's the last thing you want to do. You don't want to overwhelm your students. So this will help you put the blinders on and really focus in on, okay, how do I get them from point A to point B in the shortest amount of time, but giving them everything that they will need to get there, right? We're not trying to give them everything that we've ever learned about dog training or puppies. We just want to get them to housebreak their puppy. So I hope that helps into why we're doing it this way. And it could sound like, oh, that's pretty easy, but I bet when you sit down to work on the worksheet, and you can go ahead and download the outcome worksheet, which is right here on the same page, I want you to really work through this and be specific as possible, not just help them lose weight. What is that going to do? How much weight will they lose? How long will it take them to lose the weight? Will this be a tough thing? Will it be easy? Is it simple steps? Is it 5 steps? And we'll talk a little bit more about your process if you don't know the exact steps. At least get the outcome on here. I want you to come to Facebook, because I think that I would be happy to help you, really hone in and really get specific on your outcome. Because sometimes we can be a little vague, or it could feel like we're really giving something tangible and specific, but from someone else's point of view, it may be still not quite there. And that's what's great about having the live support and having a sounding board, because we can all chime in with what we think and really help you hone in to get the most amazing, profitable course, because that's what I'm hoping for here. And all these steps that we're doing here in this first module is really setting up the foundation so that when you move forward, you can move forward quickly, you can have a focus, you're going to already know your outcome, and we're going to move forward on some of the other things in the upcoming lessons. So I want you to go now and print out the outcome sheet and come on over into Facebook and let me know what you've decided on the outcome for your course. And if you're still kind of stuck, that's fine too. Come tell us your topic and we can work through it. So I will see you over in Facebook and on the next lesson. Bye-bye.